channel. Today we're going to be doing some Christmas decorating. I just can't wait to get started and get it over and done with. If you guys are new to my channel, I love to do like lifestyle, cleaning, organization type videos. So if you love things like that, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any more of my videos. Also, if you guys are returning to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate the love and comments and support that you guys have shown me. He took out all of the decorations last night. We got rid of so much stuff last year. It's crazy. So I only purchased a few new things this year, and I got some things during the after Christmas sale last year. I'm starting over with Christmas decorations. I'm just gonna use the little bit of stuff that I have, and I'm not gonna decorate my whole entire house because we're not gonna be here for Christmas. We're actually only gonna be here like a week and a half into December, and so I will show you guys everything that I have. I have a dinner in the crock pot going already. I am so excited because I don't have to worry about dinner, and I'll show you guys that if you are curious because this recipe is super easy. Let's go. Alright guys, so here is the crock pot recipe or crock pot meal that I have. And I share this with a bunch of co-workers. Oh, and it's called Mississippi pot roast. Actually, I'm using chicken this time. 1 package of ranch, that dry ranch seasoning. 1 package of Au Jus dry seasoning. A whole stick of butter. You're supposed to throw in like 4 or 5 of those pepperoncinis, but I throw in a bunch. And like I said, I'm using chicken. I will leave that recipe down below, you guys. It's amazing. Definitely need to clean up a little bit in the kitchen. It's just so I can just get started. Couch area is a little bit of a mess. But here's our Christmas stuff. It's not that much. Here's our Christmas tree. I got it from Walmart 2 years ago. It's a 6.5 foot flocked tree and it was $69, y'all. It's so pretty. This was originally supposed to be the kids' tree, and we bought this thinking we'll just use this as our tree in the living room, and then when we move, it'll be for the boys. That never happened last year, so we ended up using this tree in our living room. Our ceilings are so high, it makes our tree look so small. So maybe after Christmas, I will find a really big tree. These wreaths I've had for years. I got this from Walmart, and these are like $9. And I usually just put like an ornament in it or something to make it a little bit more festive, or you can leave it just like it is. All of my Christmas mugs, I am not playing. Oh, I have this Starbucks travel mug here, and then this is a travel mug from Starbucks too. But you guys, I even got rid of a bunch of Christmas mugs. Where's my Christmas stuff? I feel like I might want to go to Target just to get maybe 1 or 2 mugs. This is from Starbucks, and then this one says, "Oh, what fun." That's also a Starbucks mug. And then another mug, which I don't know where we got this one, but it says, "Merry Christmas, you filthy animal." And then this one right here is from the Target dollar spot. Y'all, I need to get some more Christmas stuff. fluffed out the tree as much as I can, but I still am seeing like some holes. This one we got from Walmart the other day, and it's a 6-foot flock tree. But you guys, when my husband pulled out the Christmas stuff, we realized that we have the exact same tree from Walmart from last year. I'm pretty sure I got this one after Christmas and totally forgot about it. So now we have 2 more flock trees. Figure out a place to put that one. And I'm thinking maybe over there. But all right, so here's all the new stuff that I purchased, and some of it was recent and some of it was the after Christmas sale last year. And I told you guys it's not a lot, but it looks like everything I got is flocked, which I love a flocked tree. This I got the other day at Walmart, garland thing, and you know, for your mantle. And you guys, it was like $12 or something. This during the after Christmas sale last year. It's a wreath. I got it from Walmart. I have no clue how much I paid for it, but I'm pretty sure it was like 70% off. Got this from Target last year, the after Christmas sale. It's just like a little silver flocked arrangement. The Target dollar spot the other day, they actually come with little twinkle lights. Then I got all of this in the Target after Christmas sale last year. Those 2 flock trees I got from the Target dollar spot. Last but not least, snow globe for my boys. Other tree, it definitely looks a little bit more full than the other one, but the other one is just waiting downstairs. I think this is gonna go in the kids' room. I think that is so cute, a little Charlie Brown tree. I think I decided to put the 6-foot tree over here in this corner, and our other one is gonna be over there. I just feel like it'll be really cute at night when they're lit up and they're, you know, decorated. I'm gonna get the Halloween stuff off of this table. Are all the ornaments that I had on this tree last year. I think I really just have a bunch of like silver and like mixed metals pretty much. So I have like stuff like this, really big oversized ornaments, and this is like a gold one. These are silver. I have a bunch of like other, oh my god, look how much flocking is on my arm. Then I have like ornaments like this. It's looks like snow. I love this one. And like reindeer, a Noel sign. I love this. So here's what we have so far. It needs a pop of color, but I'm not sure what color I want to use, so I'm gonna go look. But in person, you can see all of the ornaments, and they're really pretty. Going to just leave these because these actually light up. I need to put batteries in those, and this little tinsel tree lights up. I got this garland from the Hearth and Hand line at Target, and I really love it. It's got these like white berries on it. In case you guys are wondering what that black screen is sitting on that table, it's called the Amazon Portal. It's super cool, and the main purpose for it is smart video calling, but it has so many other features to it as well. I'll have this link down below for you guys because it does way more than just video calling. I think it's such a cool gift to give somebody in your family that's close to you, a grandparent, a parent. You can get it just for yourself. So check it out if you're looking for a really good gift for the holidays. Alright guys, so here's the update on what's going on right now. Go ahead and clean up, and anything that I add, which will be a few things, that'll be in another video. So I think I am going to keep this right here. Those two light up. I need to put batteries in those. I also need to decorate this tree. The living room is looking like. The kids have been playing with a lot of the decorations. The fall stuff's still out. This flock stuff is all over the place. I definitely need to vacuum. I'm loving my tree over here in this corner, and I need to go ahead and clean up all of this. That little tinsel pop-up tree, I've had this for so many years and it's still going strong. So I figured I'd put it in this corner, and then you have that, and then we're back around over here in this corner. We are not gonna get to my kids' Christmas tree in this video, but you will see that in another video. And they're gonna decorate it, and I'm glad I did save a bunch of those whimsical ornaments for their tree. Let's clean up. here is a little update on this table. So I actually ended up moving the pumpkin, and I just went ahead and packed it away and moved that lantern to the middle, and that's it. I think I just moved some stuff around a little bit, and I feel like I like this better. Less cluttered looking, and I can turn on my candle, and then my little houses. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys want to see how my kids' crazy Christmas tree turned out, I will hopefully have that in another video for you guys, along with some other parts of the house that we may get to. Don't forget to subscribe and do all of those things, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!